this country, I talk all the time, say, we get peace. We get peace. We'll be very peaceful because nobody won't touch anybody. Nobody won't hurt anybody. Or my parent wants to, my person, hey, obey prime, make a count of. But deep down, love no day, unity no day. Because if I only know what industry back home. You go do the song, you go do the video, you go do the album. Cover ne keke kobe posti kwa everything mano. Because he managed get maybe 2 point and here he followers. With 1 point and here he followers. That 1 point and here he followers no. So be posti wonyo. So say YouTube, in followers go see say, oh, maybe I come here releasing your for. Oh, maybe your sister here releasing your for. Family releasing your for. Kwesiate releasing your for. Mami, so say in followers go see. No, he don't go post. Now the end is so a good cry, no go post to no. Not the actual story. Now say the feed what here. And you don't know better tag you. So say in followers go see. You go put for in story. In story. So say, oh, if by chance somebody find a way glance through in story, then you go see him. If you post your story now, then go tag you the artist. Say, oh, I post for my story. Hey, you post for your story. So that is what they go around. If they around, almost everybody get at him. So you post for your story. Also, I mean, you don't post my own for your own page. Then you go post your own for story. So Ghana artists, everybody they post in friend for his story. That be how the thing go there. And now, if you make lucky stuff where you post for his page, you know go tag you. You go write your name. You know go write at. Said here somebody click, I go give them easy access to your place. No, we hate to share. Nobody wants share. You understand? Oh, peace there, we are very peaceful because nobody enemy you see that mentality of said here I suffer where I catch there. Everybody for suffer some. He did everybody in head inside. So if small girl actress they come up, instead of them to get some big woman be say, oh, I will support you with my page so far as you are doing something that is good. There be you don't go help the girl. The girl go look for help. I don't go help the girl. So the only option he left the girl to do is to either sleep around or go live like this, then come out in body. And now, Ghana so they person. So if you come out in body right now, everybody will come watch. Then you will start getting name. You will start getting name. So before the girl go get name to the level where she wants to be, then he spoil the name finish. The name yeah you get to, but you spoil the name again. Now brands are running away from you. Sequentially small and get to this position. You know, it's easy for this place because your own people do top on. You see, because at the top say, if you believe in the talent, you know, for be difficult to help the person. You know where the